I'm Ira. I love living my life to the fullest. And most of all, I love to laugh a lot. Welcome to my life. Hi, do you want to eat some breads, cakes, muffins, but can't because of your wheat allergies, wheat flour allergies, and milk allergies? Well, this place that we have discovered here in Aichi might be very helpful for you because they sell a lot of breads. I think most of their items are made of komeko or the rice flour. Kome means rice and ko means powder or flour. So most of their cakes, muffins, breads are made of rice flour, and some breads have milk, but most of it are really free from milk, so you have a lot of options. And if you are hungry and want to eat some, well, what are you waiting for? Let's go! So the shop is located in Hekinan, Aichi, and the store is not that big. It's actually small, and they only have 3 slots for the car parking, and it's near a park. So I think it's a bit easy for you to find. And the name of the shop is Sol Sol. Yes, SOL. Actually, the place was first time for us, and it was an hour drive away from our home one way. And so before we went there, we were having second thoughts of not going because of the distance, and also like I've never seen a lot of reviews about the store. Yes, but once we got there, we felt that it's all worth it. The effort, the drive is all worth it because they have a lot of varieties that you can choose from, and all of those look very delicious. These are the items, or these are the foods that they are selling there, and all of these are very safe from those people who have wheat flour allergies. They have a lot, and also it's not affordable, but it's reasonable because having this kind of shop is a bit rare. That's why it's an hour drive away from our home. Yes, because actually we are living in the heart of this city, but it's very rare find. I was lucky enough to be approved by the owner and the staff to take a video and a picture of what are the items in there and of what's inside, because at least I can share with you in advance, and before you go to the shop you already have an idea in your mind of what will you buy and what are the things that are good for you, what are the items that are good for you and for your taste. Because unlike me, it was our first time. Yeah, it was our first time to go to that place, and I was alone when I entered because only one person are allowed to enter per family to avoid corona, and also the place was very small, so it's not allowed to be so crowded inside. So I went there alone, and I am not a Japanese. I can read katakana, hiragana, but I'm not so familiar with those kanji. So I don't want you to have the same experience, something like I was not panicking though, because I can read hiragana and katakana, and most of the writings in there are in hiragana and katakana, but I was just so nervous because everyone was looking at me when I started talking, maybe because I was kind of strange, and also because I was not familiar. How I wish I have seen the list of the items that was there, so at least when I get there I could already pinpoint what will I buy. But no, that was not what had happened. I also have to read the allergies. Now, what's good in their shop is every item there is an item name written, and there's also allergy something like every item. Okay, every item has a name on it, and under its name there is also written there a label for some allergies. So for example, this bread or this cake is using this kind of product and stuff like that. So it's written, it will be written there what kind of allergies you may get when you get this item or when you take this food. It's kind of easy, but because as what I've told you, they have a lot of items, variety of items. I needed time to read and I needed time to choose also. So thank you to the staff who allowed me to take a video and a picture. So at least again you guys will have an idea of what will you buy when you get there. And I will be showing now of what are the items that we bought. Actually, we bought a lot because as what I have said earlier, this place is an hour drive away from our home, and it's not every day we can go to that place. At least we can just store them in the freezer if we can't eat it. And yeah, actually one was already eaten by my baby in the car, and he was so cute saying that it was delicious. It was donuts actually. Yes, they sell a lot. So these are the foods that we bought. Yeah, we have 2 bags there. This is their pamphlet, and I'm gonna take a picture of it so at least you can also have a look with this one. All of their foods are really made of rice flour, so you don't need to worry if you have allergies with wheat flour because you already have your best option. This is the first item that we had. This one. Second item is this one. The first one was a donut. This one, I think this is a cupcake style. Yeah, it's written, the name of the bake shop is written. It's also written there, gluten-free rice bread for good life. That's the second one. Third one is this one, muffin. Do you know the muffin? There. And then yeah, this is how it looks like. It's wrapped in a plastic, so it's kind of difficult to show, but yeah, this is very delicious. And this one, this is a banana cake. Yummy. And fifth one, there, another donut, but in different taste. Okay. And also this one. This is a melon bread. I'm gonna unwrap it so you can see how it looks like. Second one here is a chocolate muffin. Delicious. This one, a loaf of bread that's made of rice flour. Are all that we have bought in there, and we paid for almost 3,000 yen including the tax. Take one. What's that?
Chocolate.
Yummy.
Sweet.
I want to eat this. Can I have that one, please? Also, I want this one. This is the banana cake, I think. Banana muffin, not cake. Itadakimasu. It's a bit hard.
Something. What's that? not sticky はさ。
That's,
Mochi
I
mochi.
thought that's sweet, but not sweet.
うん。
It's not sweet, but yummy.
やむ。もちもち。
Mochi mochi.
うん。
Something chewy, right?
うん。
How about this one? What's the taste? Correct.
Chocolate.
Okay.
うん。a bit bitter.
I thought sweet. Is this sweet?
うん
Sweet? No.
Sweet.
Correct?
うん。but later a bit bitter.
That has no taste like something sweet, right?
Bananas this size, no?
I don't know. Mmm,
Yummy.
yummy. Chocolate, right? Chocolate muffin. Yummy. Mmm, mmm. Yummy. This is also good for people who are not so good with too sweet, because not that sweet. Very good for health. Mm. Thank you for watching. If you have questions that I may have failed in showing something in this video, please comment down below or send me messages on my social media accounts, and let's talk over there. Bye.